This is the story of the Tower of Babel, a world where everyone understood each other, until understanding itself suddenly broke. Think about how powerful it feels to be understood. Now imagine losing that power completely, without warning, without explanation. Today you'll practice English through a famous ancient story about language, ambition, and how cooperation can collapse. According to the story, there was a time when the whole earth shared one language and used the same words, because everyone spoke the same language. Communication was effortless. Decisions were fast and people worked together easily. They found a wide open plain flat, spacious and full of possibility, and believed it was a good place to stay. The land was called Shinar, and the people settled there, imagining a shared future in one place, living close together. The people began thinking beyond survival and started planning something permanent. They decided to make bricks and bake them thoroughly, creating strong materials for serious construction. Instead of stone, they used brick. Instead of mortar, they used tar. These choices changed what was possible. With one shared language, ideas spread quickly and ambition grew just as fast. They planned to build a city for themselves, not temporary shelters, but a lasting center they could all share. At the heart of the city, they planned a great tower rising toward the sky, visible from far away. The story gives their reason clearly. They wanted to make a name for themselves and be remembered. Then the story shifts. The Lord came down to see the city and the tower being built. He observed that the people were one and shared one language, giving them unusual power. He said this was only the beginning of what they would be able to do if nothing limited their cooperation. So the Lord chose to change the one thing holding them together, their shared language. Suddenly words no longer connected. Familiar sounds lost meaning. Understanding disappeared. Without shared language, coordination failed. Confusion replaced clarity. The work stopped. What once felt possible now felt impossible. The people began separating into groups that could still understand each other, moving away from the unfinished city. They were scattered across the earth, leaving the city unfinished on the plain. The place was called Babel because the story says this is where language was confused. This story shows how powerful language is. Shared words create cooperation, and misunderstanding can destroy it. What do you think? Does sharing one language bring people closer? Or can it also create new problems? Subscribe for more powerful English stories like this.